Monday, March 21st edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Hope you had a great weekend and certainly some pretty good weather. Definitely to start the weekend. Then it kind of went downhill a little bit yesterday. We had back on Friday the record highs well up into the 80s. A lot of us in the 70s then for highs on Saturday. And then it was 50s and 60s yesterday. But we are going to reverse that temperature trend here over the next couple of days, getting back to some warmer weather. Now here's the radar this morning. A few sprinkles rolled through the Piedmont overnight. Not a big deal. And that's sort of the tail end of a system that is producing a lot of significant precip off to our north. There's been some thunderstorms from southwest PA into West Virginia. A lot of rain in northern Pennsylvania and western New York. And then there is some snow involved in northeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern New York, and then into parts of Connecticut and Massachusetts this morning. Here's the temperature trends, though. We had that cooler day yesterday, and notice there comes that warmer air that's taking back over once again. So the Piedmont will be back into the 70s today, and I think some 80s tomorrow and into Wednesday as well. What a system for California yesterday. A lot of wind and rain, snow in the higher elevations. Pretty nasty stuff with that one. And kind of watch the progress of that. That's today. Let's go out to later tomorrow, some brief ridging, pumping up the warmth again here across the eastern United States, but then we go out to late Wednesday, and that system is diving in, and we'll usher in some cooler weather for the end of the week. Now here's the European with that midweek system. It brings the precip in a little bit sooner than the GFS, and it actually brings the chance of showers and a couple thunderstorms in Wednesday afternoon. GFS is mainly Wednesday evening, and then some cooler air behind it to finish the week, although notice it is not the big push of cold air that it was when I was showing you these model charts the end of last week. So it looks like it is not going to be as cold now at the end of this week than it looked like it could when we were discussing things last week. Now let's kind of get into it. Here's the GFS today. We'll be back into the 70s for highs. A lot of clouds this morning, but some good intervals of sunshine working in later today. Looks like a partly cloudy sky coming up as we get into the day tomorrow. Now, I wanted to show you this. This is this evening, and we have to mention the chance of at least a couple of showers up near the Virginia border this evening as a front briefly drapes close to the area, but then that front lifts back away as this next system gears back up over the plain. So this is Tuesday. For tomorrow, highs lower 80s, probably low to mid 80s just ahead of the system Wednesday. And then again, the GFS here is a little slower. This is Wednesday evening, when it brings a chance of showers and maybe a couple thunderstorms before we get back to dry weather, although cooler weather. Thursday, it looks like maybe some 60s Thursday and Friday for highs. And then we get into Saturday. A lot of question marks this weekend. The timing of this next system is very much in question. A lot of differences here between the GFS and the European with exactly how things unfold Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. This, of course, is the GFS Saturday. There's Sunday, this is Zero-Z Sunday or Saturday evening, and then there we are on Monday morning. So what I've done with the on-air forecast package this morning is I've indicated kind of a cloudy weekend. I mentioned some shower chances Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Now, I don't think it'll wind up being a washout. We'll kind of be able to hone in on the timing of that system as we get later on into this week, but it does look like this upcoming weekend will be when we see another system move through. And again, we'll kind of refine the details of that one as we get deeper into this week. All right, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day here on this Monday, and God bless.